How's this for a shed? And how much does a bale of straw cost?
During the drought about $140, but normally about $90.
Okay.
That holds about $14–15 of normal hay. So that's the equivalent of about $14–15 a hay.
Yeah. And this is a nice play area for the kids, isn't it?
Yeah, the boys are, that's their mess. And, come on, I'll show you the other side of the shed. Wait a second, Audrey. This is where the toys are.
A vintage tractor.
Yeah. A 1970 model Massey Ferguson 168.
Oh, gee.
In 1970, it cost more than a Mercedes-Benz.
Is that right? What size engine is that?
60 odd horsepower.
Gosh, yeah, it's a nice toy, isn't it?
And of course, you got to have your ride on mower.
You got to have what?
Your ride on mower.
Oh, okay, let's have a look at your ride on mower. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good fun. That's a pleasant way to cut grass, isn't it? A nice little Honda. Fan, how's like the size of your cooling fan there?
I'm giving that to a mate, but he just hasn't got around to picking it up yet. And that's an Australian. One of the many implements you've got to have.
Yep. This is Jess, and Graham's going to take us down to the paddock. He keeps about 40
Angus calves.
Yeah, how about that for a steak? These are the olive trees that have been planted since we were here last.
4 different varieties. So
Four different varieties?
We've got to get one out of 4.
Oh, well, you covered your bets there, haven't you? Yeah, very good.
Difference. Like, there's about 100 kilos in weight difference between the big ones and the small ones.
Yeah, so are these all of the new ones that you bought?
Yes, most of them. See the ones with the blue paint on them? They're the new ones. So the one there's got a Nord on it.
Yeah.
And that's a little one there.
Oh, okay.
And you got...
so how much do you pay for these?
About $250. Yeah. And the bigger ones I sold were about $500. They probably weigh about another 125.
Yeah.
I just grow them out. I like growing for breeders. Like those 5 I sold, they went to a property down the back here. They're not going to be killed. They're going to be joined with a bull for breeding. So what I do is I try and buy good quality Angus heifers, grow them out, and then sell them to people to breed from. Anything that doesn't make the grade goes to over the scales, which means they end up in the butchers. But, so these ones here, these are they're probably about 2 months off being ready to join. They've got to be either about 16 to 18 months old or weigh 300 kilos plus. So they're coming up to about 300 kilos now.
And then they can go for breeding.
Then they'll go for breeding if, assuming someone wants them. But, normally I don't have to. And the other ones, they were this morning just on the other side of this fence.
They look nice and healthy.
Oh yeah, that hay you saw in the shed, it's been there nearly 4 years now. So I haven't hand fed for 4 years. But they're going to only run about 40 to 50, which means most people would shave a stock. Well, I must admit I was getting a bit worried this year because of the way the ground was. And that's pretty well the rest of them actually.
Yeah.
Like that.
Oh, do they?
Then they lose their, as they get a shine up,
Just
good summer feed, it just falls off.
Well, you can verify something for me. This fella in Calliope is where he had his farm. I don't know if you've heard of that, Calliope, near Rockhampton. Anyway, they had a lot of mud for all the rain, and some of the cows got stuck, and they pulled them out, and they've even had them on a hoist to stand them up, but the cows just die. They have to get shot.
Oh, they'll probably. It's like humans, you know. You get if we get stuck under rubble or something, you know. It's once a cow goes down, it's pretty hard to get them up again. But you probably find they were in there and they've. It's just like humans, you know. If your legs are if you're immobilised, you can't get your legs going again. And,
I mean, this fella who only had a small place had to kill 5, but the fella in the next bigger place had to kill over 100.
Yeah, if they got. Yeah, because they would have only built the garage, never got around to building the house. And so I put in the garage and but there's supposed to be a house in front of that one day, and where the garage doors are, I've just put in glass windows. But that's 25 years ago now, or more.
So this was your first place up here, and it was 8 acres, did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still reckon it's the cutest little 8 acres in town.
So,
then when you go out, we used to go riding up. Once you go past in the bush there, it's just bush all the way to Braidwood.
so why did you sell it? It's so cute.
I must have wanted the money for some reason. I had 2 places on the market. I had Orley Point and here, and whatever sold first.
Oh.
And this sold first.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Because I 135 years.
Yeah, 1875. And it was the bank. What bank would that have been, do you know?
Yeah, the National.
National Bank.
That was the CBA.
That was it. The National Bank was the bank that Ben Hall held up. It was the first daylight bank raid in bushranger history.
Was it?
Yeah. And it was unsuccessful.
Hundreds.
Yeah.
And so that's what do you call a historic tree? You're not allowed to lop it or do anything silly to it.
Yeah.
And that was historic. What do they call them?
So, how old do you reckon it is?
I'd say over 100 years.
Yeah.
Relation to Kendall's, the poet. We had Kendall was born here.
Kendall, yeah.
Yeah, so it was his daughter or something.